Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to restore missing chat on FB Lite. If chats are missing in Facebook Lite, they may be archived, filtered, or temporarily unavailable because of an account or syncing issue. Checking your account, refreshing the app, and reviewing your chat folders can often help you find missing conversations. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and restore access to your chats in Facebook Lite. To begin, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Facebook account. Tap the messages or chat icon to open your conversations. Use the search bar to look for the name of the person whose chat is missing. Open the conversation if it appears in the search results. Check your archived chats if that option is available in your version of Facebook Lite. Review your message request or spam folder for messages from people who aren't in your contacts. Verify that you haven't blocked the person in your Facebook settings. Check that your phone has a stable internet connection by using Wi Fi or mobile data. Choose the Facebook Lite app completely and reopen it. Update Facebook Lite to the latest version from the Google Play Store. Restart your phone to refresh the app and network connection. Ask the other person to send you a new message, which may make the conversation appear again. If the chat was permanently deleted, it cannot be restored in Facebook Lite, so contact Meta support if you believe the issue is related to your account or the app. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.